Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing my sheet load of cards for August 2023. If you're not familiar with SheetLoad, it's a card sketch, cutting guide, supply list, and instructions to make anywhere between 6 and 12 cards. The sketch is designed by Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and she generously shares it with us for free on the first of each month. I will link her channel in the description box below, and I encourage you to check it out and join in on the fun. This month's sketch yielded 8 cards, and if you've watched my sheet loads before, you know that when I make multiple cards, I like to make some coordinating packaging to house them, and so this is my packaging for this particular sheet load. It's a box that I've done a tutorial for, and I'll link that in the description box below. It's a very versatile box. It holds A2 size cards and envelopes, and so I split it up into 2 sets of 4. It does have a hidden magnetic closure, and this is what it looks like when the cards are inside. Let's check out the cards. I had so much fun making this month's sheet load. The sketch is so versatile, you could use it for any season, holiday, or occasion. Now, as usual, I mixed and matched my paper collections, and I purchased this digital on Etsy, and I will link all of the products in the description box below that I used if I can find them. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!